beast up in your story. Don't kick shit on with 40. Yo,
wet, nice.
Hate this shit again, I'm knowing.
Hey.
Remember what you said?
Yeah, I tell you what, man.
And he tried to
Hit my phone, gon' be right here. Hair for you, baby, for you. Hair flowing, I'm happy for you. Nigga, you ain't the one here for you. Right here, I'm here for you. Holding this, he got your spot waiting for you. In the meantime, we gon' keep on going for it. These stars know we gon' reach, we going for it. Have my soul when you rap. Gotta act right up your life. Get lost up in your beauty. I'm on the beach, up in your story. Don't keep shit on with 40. Yo, your friends up on that hating shit again, I'm knowing. Remember what you said? Yeah. Hit your phone, you gon' be right up. Hit my phone, gon' be right here. Hair for you, baby, for you. Hair flow, I'm happy for you. The nigga, you ain't the one here for you. Right here, I'm here for you. My older nigga, he got your spot waiting for you. In the meantime, we gon' keep on going for it. These stars, you know we gon' reach, we going for it. For you.
Mama said to keep my head up, gotta get my bread up, get my legs up.
Ain't that the truth? Steven.
Block records, come on. Yo, stack daddy back one more again. Tell your girl to tell her to tell a friend. It's on now, get on the floor, shake that back. You know Blade love a girl who could work like that, sport a skirt like that, lower ass cheek showing when I hit it from the back. Bust off and keep going, I'm addicted to weed, I must keep blowing. So much damn ice on, I must be glowing. I could barely take it, you damn near naked. Never trick as a rule and I rarely break it. How about I show you how fast this new Bentley goes? She said she never seen $1 million crib before, so I showed her mine, it blow the mind. We both off Grey Goose with a touch of lime, so you know what's next. Sex in every room, every move, every rubber use, bunker belly move. I gotta go though, only sleep good with wifey. It's a lot of rappers out here, but none quite like me.
The way that you're looking, I can tell that you really want it, and it ain't always about the money. You in the streets, but I want you to love me. Love me. Love me. Yeah.
Mommy, I like the way you look in them pants. Mommy, I like the way you do your dance, your business look, and your St. John's outfit. Later on that day, show up in some hot shit. Burberry low cut shorts, Cardi frames on, so damn fine, you even turning dames on. I bet you look even better with a man with cheddar. Fellas up in the club with your girl, you better get her. Cause I will creep up on her, spit some convo, sip a couple bottles, and zip to the condo. Games, I don't play them at all. Let you hit the mall, shop till you drop C. Blade really ball, let you scroll around a D in 6-figure cars. $100 worth of weed, rolled up in cigars. Regardless if you got a man or not, I ain't tripping. Just look like the right time to catch y'all slipping.
Okay, piss you have in your whole life. Top V mountain piss.
Say one more thing about today for the camera.
Huh?
Say one more thing about today.
Man, fucking pissing on the mountain. That's all I gotta say.
We're going, dog. See how many good ale there. Hoping for some good powder.
Having conversations with mom.
Having conversations with mama. Man, my life is a mess. Ain't been returning the text.
Yep. Keeping that middle part low. We'll give you more work. Yeah, you can keep going down with that.
you got going on in here, Nelson?
Shaping out the inside here.
Oh man.
Gonna get this thing a little lower.
Hey, what do you got to say about it, Loker?
Oh, I don't know. We're just digging, so you know, switching off every now and then.
See, we got the T strategy.
Yeah.
Teed up.
Teed up
Teed up today.
Who's got which side?
I probably got that right side. Yeah, I was thinking left side.
Stignelli by the tree.
He's goofy, so.
Yeah. Yep. Fair enough.
Yep. How's your cave going? Okay.
Oh, good. Logan's building the whole thing. I'm just videoing.
You got the workhorse doing it.
Yep.
Should be easier for
Try to clear out a little trail between these caves. It's pretty rough out here.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah. Send those chunks my way.
Let's get some of this bottom shit out.
Oh.
I'm gonna step where you are, man.
Good.
Just throw it on there like nothing. Like it's not gonna slide off. Big load. Ah, yeah.
Never bad to have an emergency cut. Never bad idea to have an emergency cave. On like a little shelf thing.
Yeah. We can do anything we want over here to the right of us.
Shoveling out some over there. They said,
And they're sturdy.
they imagine don't pick them up.
Yeah, and you know what?
Compare
Letting them sit for like even 25 minutes. So maybe I'll just put a couple more.
You know where to find me.
Anything to say about the caves?
It's a hard day's work, but we're making it happen.
That's all I like to hear. It's your turn, boss.
All right, what do we got here? You got some foundational T items going on.
You got the L, or I guess it's like a hybrid T, keeps the wind out of the way. Might do 2 shelves just for charitable purposes. We'll see. Yeah.
That's gonna be a good investment property, man. 2 bedrooms.
Yeah. It's a lot of effort, a lot of labor.
Yeah.
Saving on the cost.
All right.
DIY.
Good luck.
Snowcap beer.
So if I were you, I would like probably just like cut down like right here, like we have, and I'd probably just start digging my shelf like right about here.
Okay.
And so then I just cut like just.
Yep.
And you can grab our saw if you want. Just start slicing out and rolling off sections.
Okay.
Make it like this, and then like right about here, you just want to have it go straight up like this, and then like that, and you just start cutting these out and just slide them out your. Like that, and you'll be able to stand up and work.
Sweet.
Okay, sweet.
But like, yeah, you don't need your. Yeah, you can. Oh no!
Are you trying to see the damage?
Yeah, let's see what happened here.
Lost soldier, dude.
How are we feeling?
Snapped
Demoralized?
off. It's an
You
old
guys all right?
shovel. You know, I think if you look at our cave, you can tell where we're at with our attitude, dude.
How you doing in there, Cole?
I mean, it's just a beauty. It's really coming together. We're just carving out some block space. We're playing fucking Minecraft right now.
Yeah. You guys got a fucking
I mean,
fortress.
you turn
You're
around
looking
here,
good.
man. Let me get a view of this. There's great vista here on Mount Rainier. You know, there's a reason why
Yeah.
it's called paradise. There's a reason.
It's beautiful.
You know, paradise isn't too far away in the wintertime. I'll tell you that. Here, come here. Why don't you zoom in on that right here through the trees? Come here. Zoom in right on that. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, get that shot, dude. No, it's not Mount Rainier, but
Still paradise. Still paradise.
All right.
Let's make the day intentional. Let's make the face presentable. You still mourning middle fingers. The day that passes still lingers.
It's a nice camp.
I think we did well for ourselves. It'll be good. A good rest.
Look at this fuck ass cave. You kind of wet over there.
Comfortable.
You got a little wet.
Yeah, my bibby on. Sleep on the ice.
Yep. Got tarp. Got the boots. Got stuff. Yeah.
On me like an aura, couldn't shake it off. Make a presentation to explain it all. Pay attention to the segments where they got me wrong. She addressed me in a letter, said the love is strong. In another setting, you can have it all. A friend up in the DM trying to break me off. My attention and attendance, but I'm moving forward. What I once was a medal, now I'm battle scarred. Black man, sing a song to me in a way that I can feel it in my shadow heart. Fucking on a prepad. Fuck it, I'ma throw it in a coat of arms. Even when the distance get to seeming far, I was present in the wings watching over y'all. I was present in the screen talking over y'all. It ain't really what it seemed.